Triumph has just introduced the Speed Twin 1200 Cafe Racer Edition. This limited edition model is clearly inspired by the style of 1960s British cafe racers. Production is limited. Only 800 units were made at the Hinckley factory. What's more, each unit comes with a certificate of authenticity, making it a true collector's item. The base is based on the Speed Twin 1200 RS. However, the Cafe Racer Edition version boasts a much more classic racing look. The color scheme uses a combination of competition green and aluminum silver, complemented by subtle Empire gold stripes. The tank sports a Cafe Racer Edition graphic, making its identity immediately apparent. The design is deliberately focused on a racing style. The passenger footrests are removable, though they are included in the box. The seat is a brown Clubman model, enhancing the classic feel. Small details are also included. There are bar-end mirrors, a specially textured engine emblem, black bolt covers, and even engraved knee pads. The side panels are painted competition green with the number 12 in aluminum silver. Triumph chose brushed aluminum for the front and rear fenders, providing a contrasting yet elegant touch. The engine remains unchanged. The motorcycle still uses the Bonneville 1200 twin-cylinder engine with a 270-degree firing order. It produces 105 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 112 Newton-meters of peak torque. Power is sent through a 6-speed transmission with a quick shifter, then to the rear wheel via a chain. In terms of features, Triumph includes 3 riding modes: road, rain, and sport. Cornering, ABS, and traction control are also standard equipment. In the UK, the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 Cafe Racer Edition is priced at £15,995. The Speed Twin 1200 Cafe Racer Edition is seen as Triumph's attempt to reach modern classic motorcycle enthusiasts who want a different look without having to resort to extreme modifications. With a mature design approach and proven performance, this model has the potential to be an attractive choice in the high-performance retro motorcycle segment.